For me, comfort zone is a trap. Yes, it feels comfortable, it feels easy, pero feeling ko it's a trap. And dati ko pa yun na-realize, pero I feel like I stayed there for very long. And comfort zone can be a place, it can be people, or it can be food, or anything. Pwedeng, basta yung something that you're used to, nagiging comfort zone mo siya. If you're familiar with that meme, where there's a jar, tapos may mouse, tapos yung jar punong-puno ng bigas or pagkain, ganyan. Tapos si mouse, hindi na siya nag-explore ng ibang bagay or ibang place para makahanap ng food. Kasi comfortable na siya doon, kasi punong-puno yung jar ng food. Habang tumatagal, yung jar nauubos din yung pagkain. Tapos habang tumatagal, natatrap yung mouse sa loob hanggang sa nahihirapan na siyang lumabas. Ganon din sa atin. Natatrap tayo doon hanggang sa nahihirapan na tayo to explore, to go out of our way para to try things. And recently, madami akong gano'n, yung parang, kaya ko ba 'to? Tama ba 'to? Gagawin ko ba 'to? Ganyan. I want to remind you that you have to assess yourself also if you're already on that comfortable era of you. Puwedeng tao 'yan, puwedeng lugar 'yan. And recently, nagkakaroon ka ba ng talk to yourself na, kaya ko ba 'to? Gagawin ko ba 'to? Ganyan. If yes, it means you're trying to live life, you're trying to do things outside of your comfort zone. But if you feel like ang tagal na nung huli mong sinabi sa sarili mo 'yon, ibig sabihin you are not trying things or exploring things, or there's no new things na nangyayari sa'yo. And I hope you assess yourself, and we all try to do something outside of the box. Walang masama na mag-try minsan ng bago because it means you're growing and you're living. Yun lang. Bye!